Hi guys, it's Lincoln here with asklincoln.org, and today I'm gonna give you 7 websites where you can make $100 per day and more if you can. The first one is Listverse. Just go on the website listverse.com and it will be linked below in the description. You go on the website, you check, you go on more, then click write and get paid. There are rules there, you check this out and you can get paid $100 per day depending on the article that you're doing. And they usually accept most of them, but you have to be think out of the box and come up with 10 things that's really out of the box thinking. And other than that, you can get very creative with it and you can write a lot of things, but try to keep it 1500 words and also. The next one is Listapart. So go on the website listapart.com, no affiliate links or whatsoever. The link is in the description below. And you go on the website, you just click on write for us. Just here, you get this page, and they usually pay up to $200 per accepted post, but you will not get in as easily as the other websites because they usually accept very less articles compared to others, and the threshold is the same as for Listverse, 1500 words as minimum, and they usually pay, but you have very low chance of getting in there, but it's a good website. The other one is it's International Living. Go on internationalliving.com and you go on contact us, you go on write for IL and you click on that, you get this page, and they are usually looking for international travel experience, how you did, what you did, you went to Bali and how you did there, and they usually pay around $75-50 per post. You can post several times, and it's all about experience, how you felt there, what you want to share with the world, and it's a good website. The other one is Funds for Writers, and they actually pay around $50 per post, but those are niche down posts, and those are niche down for writing articles about actually writing, how to write better, how to write and make money writing. You can go on their website, click on contact them, and if you know how to make money blogging, make money affiliate marketing with all that, and you want to get out there, check this out, fundsforwriters.com. the link is in the description, no affiliate link whatsoever. The next one is UX Booth, and same as the other website, you go on their website, you click on wait, you want to contribute, click on contribute, email them, tell us where you want to, so you click there and you check this out. So they usually pay $100 per accepted post, but they seem to have a small, they're not as strict as many others, but they usually tend to take a lot of time to accept the post, but it's quite, don't count on it for quick money. But if you want to get your post out there, and it might take a long time to get your money, but usually they do accept your post. But you have to publish amazing content too, and same applies for all the websites. Don't just go and write about everything you want. Try to create something extraordinary and you'll get paid extraordinary money with that technique, okay? the other one is Textbroker, and yeah, Textbroker is great. You go on textbroker.com, the link is in the description. You click on write content, you click on that, you get this page. You get this page, you can register here, no affiliate link also on that. And let's just check the payment way. You just register yourself, and let's just check how they pay. I'm actually doing I will do another video just on Textbroker because it's a great website to make money, and if you love writing, this is great for you. And you can, depending on how you write, what's your writing capacity and how talented you are, they will rate you. And suppose you are a 4-star person earning that, you earn a lot of money with that. And depending on the rating that you have, you can get, suppose you write 100 words per day, okay, and you write 10 articles, which is quite easy, 10,000 words. Only 2-star, you'll get 10 times this, 70 bucks. Okay, but the more you rate yourself, the better the money. So suppose you are an excellent writer, only 2 articles for 1,000, and if you double that, it's double the money, and it's amazing. And if I can even write more than that. Look at this, this is awesome. And just check this out, textbroker.com, the link is in the description below. The next one is the penny holder. But I also want to add that there's another website called iWriter where you can get like up to 15 bucks per accepted post. I didn't put it there, but it's also a website. You can check it later if you want. iWriter.com, the link will be in the description below. But now we talk about the penny holder. The penny holder is a nice website to make around, they do pay like up to $800, but that's very rare. It depends on the number of views that you have, how your content is popping up on Google, and what are you doing to add traffic to your post. And the more you get, the more money you'll get. It starts like 50,000 page views, I think, to get 100 bucks per day. And you can write several articles, but it isn't guaranteed paid because you have to hit that threshold of 50,000. Just check it out. I think it's 50,000, and they usually look for evergreen articles. So just go on their website. You go down, completely down, you check on careers or contact us, go on contact us. You click on you want to write for us, click on that, and next thing you check this, write out, read what they usually want you to read, abide to what they want, and you can discuss on them on how you want to. It's about the pitch. You can discuss on your payment, and it's all about the pitch. Then pitch here, and this is it. So you check those links in the description below. You can easily make 100 bucks per day with those techniques, those websites, and I don't think why you can't, because if you want, you can, you will, and you can. Okay. And if you like this post, just check out my YouTube channel, Horst Lincoln. I'm empowering entrepreneurs in any way I can, and I will also provide a lot more videos, and I'm doing videos daily. I'm concentrating on YouTube right now. I don't even have my Instagram set up fully. I just have it set up, nothing done on that, and I'm doing my YouTube channel, and I have 14 videos, I think I've already done, and I want you to earn money. So check out the websites below in the description. And on that note, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. and please like, share, subscribe to my channel because I'm uploading every day.